Snipe Squad, what is going on? Back again. It's your boy Sniper Jones, and I am back with another video for ya head top guys. Today we have another, first of all, God has been great, man. Man, y'all have no idea. God has been so great to me. I just want to tell each and every last one of y'all who out there dream chasing, for my people who actually do dream big, keep doing what you're doing. Just keep grinding. Keep your head down. Don't pay attention to what they doing. Worry about you, your journey, and I promise you, all the hard work, if you do work hard, all the hard work will pay off eventually, okay? So I just want to put that out there. But now, to the video. Shout out to Puma. I came home and I had a box, okay? I had a box here waiting on your boy to be unboxed from Puma. And I have to say, me and Puma have been able to do a lot of cool things. They sent me like the RSXs. They sent me the, the Puma reverse play. I mean, they sent a lot of cool stuff before. And I have no idea what's inside this box. But you know, I had to unbox it with the squad. So without further ado, I'm gonna bring in this box. As y'all can see in the thumbnail, it's actually a pretty big box. It's 2 pairs of sneakers. I seen that on the packing list. It was 2 pairs of sneakers. So I'm super excited they sent your boy 2 pair. All right, I'm on my Nelly-ish. You know what I'm saying? They sent 2 pair, bro. So you can only imagine how excited I am. All right, I ain't gonna hold you. So without further ado, let me get to this package because, bro, I'm ready. Okay, I'm ready. I'm just ready to do it. Oh yeah. Woo, this package is a little bit different. It got a little weight to it. We gonna open it up, boy. Y'all know the vibes, man. Hey, look, Puma, if you're watching this, first of all, shout out to y'all, man. I appreciate y'all rocking with me, sending me some fire, because I already know it's gonna be fire before y'all open it up. I mean, Puma is one of those brands that has easily been on the forefront of brands making moves, bro. Especially when it comes to like their basketball shoes. They just shot LaMelo Ball, which was like huge. Want to put that out there, but it seems like all the young talent that's been coming into the NBA, it's like Puma been snatching them all, bro. They got Kyle Kuzma, they got Danny Green, they got well, Danny Green not considered young talent anymore, but they got a lot of young talent. I believe they got RJ. They got RJ Barrett too, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, I believe they got like RJ Barrett. They got a lot of young talent over there in Puma, man. So they're really doing their thing, and they got DeAndre Ayton too. They got Terry Rozier. Hey, they got some bodies over there. They definitely got some bodies. But without further ado, let me go ahead and grab the first pair. Oh, this one comes in like a black box. I've never seen the Pumas really come in a black box before. I always see the Pumas that come in like the green box. So maybe it's a difference between what this is and the other stuff I've been getting. So this is a Puma adult size 12 Clyde All-Pro Kuzma mid. Yo, did it just ship me the Kyle Kuzma mid? I just mentioned that Kyle Kuzma was a part of Puma. That is so fire. So this is a basketball shoe. Shout outs to Puma, man. I'm excited to open these up, man. Let's get it. Is it the Puma mid? It is. Okay, so we got the Kyle Kuzma Puma mid. Now this don't look like a mid to me, honestly. This looks like a straight up high top. And I think this is about, wow, the leather quality is crazy. It's like almost like a boxing shoe. The leather quality is crazy on these to be a basketball sneaker. So we do say the Kyle, let me make sure I'm reading this correctly. This is the Clyde All-Pro Kuzma mid. So this is a Kyle Kuzma shoe. I don't know if this is his actual signature shoe, or if this is just the name of the shoe, the Kuzma mid, like a collab that he did. But one thing I can say, I don't know what type of material they have down here in this midsole, but if you can see me pressing against it, it is super, super soft, okay? It's almost like a boost type material. It might be Boost. Y'all see this? Do y'all see that? Creeping through here, it looks exactly like Boost. I know it. I know Puma. Is Puma got Boost now? It might be something called something else, but just like very similar technology. But regardless, I mean, that leather quality for a basketball shoe is something different, okay? And then we got the second pair here, or the pair to complete the set, and we get the Kyle Kuzma mid in this white and black. It comes like with the gum outer sole, got like the black Puma logo here, and also has like the famous Puma logo in the middle of the sneaker. Let y'all check that out. And it looks like they kind of got like the basketball hardwood. Maybe that's like the theme going behind it, right? if you ever watch a basketball game or if you play basketball in your life, you know, like the hardwood kind of got that texture to it. So I think that's probably where they're going with this pair, seeing it's a basketball shoe. As we head to the midsole, you kind of get like the same, but that gum type look. And then you move up to the uppers and you get your all white, and then you get the black. And of course you get like the Puma logo on the side of the sneaker, and you get Puma right there on the tongue as well. So yeah, man, shout out to Puma. This is the first pair. Once again, I will say, the material on this toe box is amazing. And you don't really get great material like this on a basketball sneaker. They usually say this for like their luxury shoes. So I wouldn't have been surprised if they would have did this to like a RSX or the RSO plays or whatever they wanted to do. But seeing this actually on a basketball shoe just shows like, hey, they definitely care about quality even on the basketball side, which is always a plus. So we got this about the way. Okay, we opened this up. Shout out to Puma for those one time. Now, let's get into the second pair. So we just gonna scoop these to the side as we grab the second pair, okay? This pair, yeah, this box is a lot smaller. Okay, so boom, let me put this down real quick. As y'all can see, let's compare the boxes for a quick second. This box looks completely different from this box. You see, this one is bigger. This one's a lot smaller. So I'm guessing this is the basketball shoe, and I'm guessing this one is gonna be like more like a classic maybe. This one says the Clyde All Pro. So I'm guessing the first one said Clyde All Pro Kuzma mid, and I'm thinking this might be the Clyde All Pro just like a low. And no, just a guess. By the way, I've never seen these before, so I might be wrong, but I do want to, get my guess on it. It is not these. Hey, hold on, bro. Hold on now, Puma. Y'all might be on to something, bro. I actually hoop. I get buckets in mine. I ain't gonna hold you. Yeah, bro. These might be the ones. Let me show y'all these. Now, the Kuzma mids, I don't really like hooping the shoes that high, but this is my style. Yo, Puma, bro, hold on. Check these out. Now, this is all me. Say what you want. I will rock these in a heartbeat. Check this out. Not only the colorway and the netted uppers that you see, like the multicolored net uppers on the top, but this shoe is fire. Just looking at it, and it also has that same material that they had on the Clyde Kuzma mid too. So it almost feels like that boost material's in here as well. And it does say Puma basketball on the inside of the shoe. So this is indeed a Puma sneaker to hoop in. And without further ado, bro, I mean, do I need to say more? I am getting a bucket in these. There's no question. You see the Puma logo going across the forefront of the shoe, but man, I'm really rocking with this. There's no cap. Like, dead serious. No lie. It's kind of similar like to a Kobe. If you look at like the silhouette of the shoe is exactly like a Kobe. So for anybody that say I don't like this shoe, bro, you just hate it, because it kind of looks exactly like a Kobe, or at least it got that same silhouette. If I was to be a sneakerhead and do one of those videos where I hold the shoe out and do this, you know what I'm saying? Y'all know what thumbnails I'm talking about. Y'all say I do it all the time. A lot of people would guess that this was a Kobe in my hand. I mean, this shoe is fire. Let's start with the outer sole, man. All white outer sole, number one. And then you get the yellow Puma logo right directly in the middle. Now, as you move up to the uppers, or at least the midsole, it's all white too, like this different woven pattern. You get something going this way, then you got some going this way that interferes. But when you get to the uppers, after you get past the Puma logo, you should get a variety of colors. Even like the yellow that's up here on the collar of the sneaker. I mean, it really does feel good. And as I told you on the outer sole, man, like whatever material is right here up underneath this heel really makes me want to try these out and hoop in them, man, because I really do believe that the material, or at least the technology in these, will be fire. You know what I'm saying? As we look at the tongue, we get the Puma hoops on the tongue as well. And on the back, we get another, quick splash of color, and this lime green, which is the Puma logo as well. So I think it's on Matte Rex Evo. So it has multi-tones, woven pattern uppers, extra light, excellent support, full carbon zoning, breathable, extreme absorbent resistance, and extreme comfort. Hey, y'all had me sold already by the presentation alone. I mean, these are fire. So all together, guys, we got the Clyde Pro, and then next up we got the Clyde Pro Kuzma Midge, which is here. Okay, So if y'all want to check out me hooping in these, man, I will be probably getting buckets in. I'll probably wear these ones first because these, I like low tops more. I like hooping in low tops more. But I think it's only right for me to hoop in both just to give y'all my fair, honest opinion. So you can either check me out on my second channel or follow me on Instagram because I will be making a post about these very, very soon, man. I thank y'all so much for watching. I thank Puma for sending me these shoes, you know, but honestly, man, without y'all, it wouldn't be sending me anything. So to all my subscribers out there that's been watching me from day one, or even for my new people that's just been supporting me as of late, man, without y'all, my platform is irrelevant. I understand that completely, and that's why I thank you guys so much. And I try to be in tune and, you know, just link up with y'all as much as possible because, I mean, without y'all, there is no me. So thank y'all so much for watching. And until next time, it is your boy, Sniper Jones. You know, for a fact, you know, I cannot leave without saying everybody want to be famous, but who really putting in that work, though? Snipe Squad, I love y'all. Dream big.